students, standard 10th maths chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry, and this is part 10. That means we are in session 10. In previous session we saw the sums related to exercise 8.2 and 8.3, and I hope you all have solved those two exercises as well. If you have any difficulty, please post your difficulties to me on my WhatsApp. Okay? Yes, in the next video I'll solve the difficulties. Is that clear to you? Okay, before we study something else or our routine, I'll solve your difficulties first. So please, after watching this video, send all your difficulties so far that you have come across. Alright? Fine. Okay, now let's see. First question today. Express trigonometric ratios sin alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha, cosec alpha and cot alpha in terms of tan alpha. Alright. You have to express sin, cos, sec, cosec and cot. These 5 trigonometric ratios in terms of tan alpha. Alright. When you have this type of questions, the best thing, you can solve it by different ways. You can use interrelationship, you can use trigonometric identities, but identities are best. First identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Please, these 3 identities are enough to express this 5 trigonometric ratios in terms of tan alpha. Okay, instead of theta we have alpha here. So let's see. Solution 1. First, children, always think of cos and sin first. Up here sin or cos, because those are basic trigonometric ratios. So if you know them, the rest 4 can be easily derived. They can be easily obtained. Okay. So anyone, what you would like, sin or cos? We always start with cos if you remember. Cos, sin, tan. Okay. So I would like to find out cos. What is my aim? I want to find what is cos alpha in terms of tan alpha. So first you pick up the identity which involves cos. Your aim is to find cos. So find the identity which involves cos. It is the first one. So I'll start with that. We know that. What? Cos square. Yeah, we want alpha here. So I'll make that change. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Sin square alpha is equal to 1. Reason. By identity. ठीक है? चलिए. Do one thing. Make cos square subject of the formula, जो भी हो. Therefore, cos square alpha means keeping cos alpha alone in whatever form it is. Cos I have kept alone, it is in the form of cos square. Is equal to 1 minus, this goes other side, 1 minus sin square alpha. So you got the value of cos in terms of sin, but we want tan. So convert tan, this sin into cosec. Convert sin in, okay, because I can't put again for sin square, it will be 1 minus cos square. So sin can be converted into cosec, correct? So I am writing that 1 minus, this is easy if you understand, 1 upon cosec square alpha, because sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. If you see here alpha, but I have written here something else angle, because that is interrelationship. Okay, or you may write by interrelationship. LCM निकालो. Okay, before taking the LCM, 1 minus. Now cosec square is what? 1 plus cot square. Transform, use these identities well. 1/1 plus cot square theta. अब क्या किया जाए? ऑलराइट, वेल पहले एलसीएम ले लो. cot square is 1/10 square by interrelationship, right? Okay. Because 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos x square theta. So आपने cos x square की जगह पे ये लिखा. ओके, अपॉन 1 और एलसीएम निकाल दो. 1 plus cot square theta. So here it will be 1 plus cot square theta and here 1. So up 1 plus cot square theta 1 za 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 1 za 1 plus 1 minus 1 is gone. Correct? So now what is cot square? 1/10 square. I wrote theta, it has to be alpha. I'll have to continue with alpha. Alright? Alpha. What is cot square? 1/10 alpha. 10 square alpha. Divide by, be careful now, use the bracket nicely. 1 is 1/1 plus cot square is 1/10 square alpha. So now we have succeeded in transforming everything into 10. Correct? And here by, what is that? Interrelationship of, because cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. That's why I wrote for cot के लिए जहां भी cot है I written 1/10, but cot square है, so we have written 1/10 square. Correct? Yeah, simplification continues. That is 1/10 square alpha divided by, again the LCM is 10 square alpha. Correct? ये दोनों का LCM 10 square alpha. Here 10 square alpha and here 1. 1 into 10 square is 10 square alpha plus 1 into 1 is 1. Now division you may transform into multiplication. 10 square alpha multiplied by, up you have 10 square alpha upon 10 square plus 1. Instead we can write 1 plus 10 square. That is equal to 10 square cancel. So that is equal to 1/1 plus 10 square alpha. And what is that? Yeah, cos square alpha. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore cos alpha is equal to, square root of 1 is 1, and this square root will remain 1 plus 10 square alpha. Some children make mistake. They write square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 10 square alpha ऐसे लिख देते हैं. That is equal to 1, square root of 1 निकाल दिया, square root of 1 और square root of 10 square 10 alpha ऐसे लिख देते हैं. No, a square plus b square का square root is not equal to a plus b. Remember? Okay. So here first you got the value of cos in terms of 10. The value of cos in terms of 10. Now you can find out the value of sine. Again we can start using this. We will have the value of cos, so we can put the value. Is that clear to you? Chaliye. Let's see. I'll have to erase this part. I'll erase from here. I'm going to use that identity again to find, बोलिए, sine now. Again, same, cos square alpha plus sine square alpha is equal to 1. This time you may make sine square subject of the formula. Therefore, sine square alpha is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. You can transform them into sec. Cos square alpha will be 1/sec square, and then sec square alpha will be 1 plus 10 square alpha. Or you can go for substitution because you have the value. This is 1. You have the value. That is equal to 1 minus. बोलिए, what is cos square? आप square कर देंगे तो, okay, I'll write here 1/square root of 1 plus 10 square alpha whole square. Cos alpha is this. I put the value. So that is 1 minus square of 1 is 1, square of square root is gone, 1 plus 10 square alpha. You have to go for LCM. What is the LCM? 1 or 1 plus 10 square ka? 1 plus 10 square. Okay. So here what you will have? 1 into what? 1 into 1 plus 10 square alpha. And 1 plus 10 square into what? 1 za. So that gives us 1 plus 10 square 1 plus n square alpha minus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Therefore, what you are finding? Yes, sine square alpha is equal to, ऊपर रह गया n square alpha, नीचे 1 plus n square alpha, square root on both sides. Therefore, sine alpha is equal to square root of tan square is tan alpha, और ये square root रह जाएगा 1 plus tan square alpha. So here is the value of sine. Call it 2. Correct? Got it, children? Understood? Sure? All right. Now, see how I find the values of others. Because in one you got cos, in two you got sine. This is value of cos in terms of 10. 10 ही दिखता है right side पे. Value of sine in terms of 10. Correct? Now, you got cos, so you can get sec. Cos का reciprocal है. So by one, it follows that sec alpha, cos and sec are reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of this? Root 1 plus tan square upon 1. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is third. Correct? And by 2. Okay, by 2. It follows that. Yeah, you will get cosec, which is the reciprocal of sine. What is sine? Tan alpha upon whatever you see here, square root of 1 plus tan square. But cosec is reciprocal of that. So root 1 plus tan square alpha upon tan alpha. So here you got value of cosec, which is in terms of tan alpha. Purely tan में express किया गया है. Alright? And by दोनों यूज करेंगे 1 and 2. It follows that. अब क्या बाकी? Cot alpha is equal to, oh children, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. Cot alpha is equal to 1 upon tan alpha. By 1 or 2 की जरूरत नहीं है. Alright. Cot alpha, the last one. And cot alpha is 1 upon tan alpha, because cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Identity है. यदि आप ये ले भी लेते हो by 1 and 2, by 1 and 2, ये करो या this करो, but this is to be done. This you get directly. What is cot? 1 upon tan हो गया. This is the fifth one. लेकिन गलती से आपने ले लिया कि cot is cos upon sine. So by 1 it follows that, 1 and 2 it follows that cos alpha upon sine alpha is equal to, what is cos? 1 upon square root of 1 plus tan square alpha. Divide by, upon मतलब divide by. Alright? Sine alpha, tan alpha upon square root of 1 plus tan square alpha. Alright? I erase this here. Okay, I'll continue here. What is cos upon sine? Cot. Our target, cot. Alright? And this, it turns into multiplication. So this will become reverse. Inverse. Square root of 1 plus n square alpha upon tan alpha. So this is gone. So what you got? 1 upon tan alpha. This is the fifth one. But this you can write directly by using interrelationship. Which one? Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. I hope that is clear to you. Now, alright. It is similar one, children. Express trigonometric ratios cos A, sec A and tan A, all in terms of sine. पहला cos वो तो है ही. Alright. This is solution 2. We know that cos का इन्वॉल्व करने वाला ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोस cos स्क्वायर a चाहिए प्लस sin स्क्वायर a is equal to 1, because अथवा by identity or you may write because cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. That is the identity. All right. Therefore, make cos square subject of the formula. Therefore, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. ये तो cos square A मिला, आपको चाहिए cos. Therefore, taking square root on both sides. Therefore, cos A square root gone. ये square root नहीं निकल सकता है. 1 minus sin square A. So you got the value of cos, which is in terms of sin. आपको right side पे sin ही दिखता है और कुछ नहीं. All right. Now we can find out sec. अरे बाबा, this is 1. Therefore, reciprocal of cos is sec A. So reciprocal of this 1 upon 1 minus sin square A. Correct? This is 2 because cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. You have used that. Reciprocal of sec is cos. Yeah, reciprocal of cos is sec. आपने reciprocal कर दिया. So you got this also. Now tan. Hey children, tan का इन्वॉल्व करने वाला आइडेंटिटी कौन सा है? ये. लेकिन वो sec में है. So I can take that. और sec के लिए हम cos कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. या sec की वैल्यू है हमारे पास. We have the value. Again, we know that. अभी मुझे tan चाहिए तो tan वाला आइडेंटिटी ले रहा हूं. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A by identity. I'm putting the value. Therefore, okay, tan को subject of the formula बना देते हैं. Tan square A is equal to sec square A plus 1 goes on other side. Now I can put the value of sec square. All right. Therefore, tan square A is equal to sec is this whole square, sec square, and sec is what? 1 upon 1 minus sin square A. It's square. और आगे है -1. Square root gone. Square of 1 is 1. This square root is gone. 1 minus sin square A minus 1 upon 1. Take LCM. That is 1 minus sin square A. So here 1 minus sin square A. 1 ones are 1 minus. So be careful. 1 minus sin square 1 is 1 minus sin square, but I'll have to write in the bracket. I don't have space here. So this step I'm doing here, opening the bracket. So this becomes minus and this becomes plus. -1 plus 1. So that is sin square A upon 1 minus sin square. That is what? Tan square A. So taking square root on both sides. Correct? So that gives me tan A is equal to, yeah, square root gone. So that is sin A. इसका square root नहीं जाएगा. So that is 1 minus sin square A. So this is the value number 3 of tan, which is expressed purely in terms of sign. Cos expressed in terms of sign. Sec expressed in terms of sign. And tan expressed in terms of sign. So this question of 2 marks can be asked in the board examination. I hope it is clear to you. Understood? All right, children. So now we move on to the very tough part of this chapter. All right. And when I said it's tough, yes, it's really tough. But to make your work easy, I'm going to teach you in a unique way. Something that I'm going to show you right now. If you understand it well, then this part, the tough part of the chapter, becomes quite easy for you. Children, well, especially the boys, may not be knowing much about cooking. All right? Well, variety of dishes are cooked. Different types of dish are prepared. Okay? And every dish has its recipe. Correct? Every dish has its recipe. And in each recipe, we have to do different process. All right? We have to do different process. Please try to understand this well. Okay. Dish. Let's say it is x. The dish that we are going to prepare is x. Well, right now x is unknown. But if I say, yeah, boys will know how to cook rice and how to prepare tea. So I'll start with that. Suppose this x is tea. You have to prepare tea. So first thing, okay, recipe is what? You need tea powder, you need water, you need milk, you need sugar. These four things are basics. Then whatever you want to add, alright, which suits the tea. Okay, fine. So recipe में फिर process आएगी. So let's say the first process is switch on या put on the stove, correct, and put vessel on it. Alright, ये पहला step होगा. You will have to put on the stove and put the vessel. Add water to vessel, correct? As it starts becoming warm, add tea powder and sugar, correct? And sugar. And then when it boils nicely, add milk until it boils well. Okay, add milk. That's it. And let it boil nicely. You can add some masala, tea masala also there. Okay, if you want. Or you can put ginger. Alright. Or you can put pudina, that is mint. Alright, so different things can be added there. But these are the four basic steps required to prepare tea. So when you perform these four steps, yes, the process is done. You have followed the recipe. You put all those ingredients and your tea is ready. Correct? Now suppose you want to cook rice. Suppose you want to cook rice. So he's saying, okay, rice में आपको चाहिए water, rice and little bit of salt. Okay? Fine. So in recipe you need 3 ingredients. Now the process. Yes, the first one is common, same. And then, yes, add, yeah, second one is also common. Add water to vessel. Then you have add salt. And when it boils, when water starts boiling, add rice grains. Add rice grains. Alright? And allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, whatever time. The rice will be ready. Correct? Like that, you need to add oil. When it boils, add some jeera. Correct? Fenugreek sometimes, onions, curry leaves, lots of things we add. So there are plenty of processes. There are plenty of processes. Yes, as this X changes from tea to rice to vegetable or any chicken item or anything, any dish, veg or non-veg dish, you will get all processes here from here. So whenever you have to prepare any dish, you should know what are the ingredients in the recipe. And then you pick only those which are required in the process to prepare that dish. Are you getting me? I am comparing this dish preparation is similar process that we are going to do in prove that type of sums. Children, instead of dish, we will have prove that sum. You have proved that sum. With sum X, we do not know. So it has its own recipe. It has its own recipe, and in the recipe we'll have process. Alright? What are the processes? I'm telling you. First process is conversion of all trigonometric ratios into cos and sine. आपको जो भी दिया है, you have to convert into cos and sine. Second process, you can use trigonometric identities. You can use trigonometric interrelationship, all right. Then use trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. It won't be much required, ये prove that में कम आएगा. Use of trigonometric ratios of spatial angles, complementary angles, all right. This also would be rarely used. ये कम आएगा ही नहीं. Anyway, then simplification, आपको simplification करना है और वो simplification में LCM ढूंढना हो, वो simplification में expand करना हो, वो simplification में factorize करना हो, all right. And there are many, just as I said, many processes are here. There are many processes here. Okay, don't worry about what I have written here, because as we see them in the sum, I'm going to write it down. मैं लिखने वाला हूं. जैसे जैसे हम सम में करते जाएंगे, जो भी प्रोसेस यूज करते जाएंगे, प्रूव दैट सम, उसमें रेसिपी के हिसाब से प्रोसेस पिकअप करेंगे और प्रोसेस करते समय नोट डाउन करते जाएंगे. Is that clear to you? Well, what I said now, very little may have entered your head, but as I do the sums, this picture will be very clear to you, and this comparison, all right, of what I did here will prove very helpful, very useful to you to prove this, prove that type of sums. And as I said, they are quite tough, but having clarity of this in your minds, those sums are going to be easy. So best of luck. So children, in addition to what we saw just now, these three things are also be kept very well in mind if you want to make prove that type of sums easier for you. The first thing is maze, bhul bhulaiya. Do you know? This is top view. This is one big place with a compound wall. The entry is from here. This is the gate 1, and here is gate 2. I'm talking about maze. So here ऐसे रास्ता जाएगा, कहीं पे अटक जाएगा, फिर ऐसे जाएगा, right? It might go straight also like this. फिर यहाँ अटक गया, फिर ये गया this way, correct? Then it went like this here, then it goes somewhere like this, correct? It goes like this, ऐसे, it goes like this, and somewhat like this, right? So this is maze, bhul bhulaiya, right? You have to start from here. If you go here, you will be stopped here. You can't go further, so you'll have to come back. Then go here. If you choose this way, again you will be blocked. So you'll have to come back. Go here. If you choose here, you will be blocked. Go here. If you go here, you will be blocked. Again, if you go here, you will be blocked. So you'll have to move here, and then you can get out. So the best way for you is to start from here, and very clearly I can see this, correct? That is the fastest way to move out, correct? So, well, this is top view. ऊपर से दिखाई देता है इसलिए आसान. But if you are in the maze, yes, you will make mistake. Only the experience, एक बार, दो बार, 5 बार ये मेज में आप घूम के आएंगे, फिर सीधा रास्ता पकड़ के जल्दी से बाहर निकल जाएंगे, correct? So you need experience, and this why I am showing you. किसी ने यहां से शुरू किया, बेचारा ऐसे गया, वापस आया, ये नहीं गया, ये बाजू नहीं गया, यहां गया, फिर यहां गया, वापस आया, ऐसे गया, फिर वापस आया और बाहर निकला, तो वो भी बाहर निकल गया. The second candidate also is successful, but he will take or she will take more time compared to the red path. Blue path is longer, so it's going to take more time. करेक्ट। लेकिन आप बाहर निकल सकते हो, और कोई रास्ता भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि यहां ये ब्लैक वाले ने ये गलती नहीं की लेकिन यहां गया वापस आया, फिर ये गलती नहीं की लेकिन यहां की, तो उसका भी रास्ता थोड़ा लंबा लंबा तो हो ही गया। ऑलराइट, सो ऑल थ्री आर सक्सेसफुल। व्हाट आई मीन टू से, द सेम प्रूव दैट टाइप ऑफ सम can be done in 3 different ways, or even more, in 3 different ways. But choosing the shortest path which saves your time and energy is very important. And how can you choose the shortest path? Only through the experience. So you need to do more and more sums. So think, ये मेज जैसा है, सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता नहीं है, अलग अलग रास्ते से आप बाहर निकल सकते हो, मतलब आप प्रूव कर सकते हो। This is one thing. Second thing, chess. Do you play chess? Yes. Most of you must be playing, correct? So, in chess, you think of maximum moves that you are going to move in future, that you are going to make in future, correct? आप next 3 steps में कौन से मूव करने वाले हैं वो पहले से ही सोच के रखते हैं। आप next 5 steps में कैसे मूव करने वाले हैं आप पहले से सोच के रखते हैं। और फिफ्थ स्टेप में चेकमेट होने वाला है, यू आर गोइंग टू विन द गेम। लेकिन फिफ्थ स्टेप में आप जीतने वाले हो, फोर्थ स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में है, थर्ड स्टेप कौन सा होना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में है, सेकंड एंड फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ, आप जीत गए। ऐसे आपको जो लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड पे जो भी हो, जो प्रूव करना है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, जो प्रूव करना होता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, तो राइट हैंड साइड के लास्ट 3 स्टेप्स या लास्ट 4 स्टेप्स पहले से सोच के रखना पड़ेगा आपको। यस, व्हेन आई डू द सम you will understand this well, what I'm trying to say here. And next, recalling. That is 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Cos theta into sec theta is 1. 1 upon cosec theta is sine theta. 1 plus cos square theta is cosec square theta. Correct? ये सब जो बेसिक फॉर्म में है वो और उसके ट्विस्टेड फॉर्म में है वो, all have to be recalled very quickly. Recalling should be done quickly, but I have given you that wonderful hexagon, magical hexagon. Yes, I have made mine. Have you seen that? Okay, I am going to show you today itself what I made for myself to teach you. Same thing you have to make and use it when you are doing trigonometry. Okay, fine. So ये 3 चीज आप बराबर दिमाग से समझ लेंगे तो the work is going to be easy. Now, how to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side? Method 1. Mostly जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड होता है वो कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है और ये सिंपल होता है, ये सिंपल होता है। So what you do? Pick left hand side. Then you do those process. रेसिपी वाली सब प्रोसेस करो एंड आखिर में आप राइट हैंड साइड जो सिंपल है लेकर आओ। दिस इज मेथड 1. मेथड 2, समटाइम्स राइट हैंड साइड इज कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज सिंपल, तो यू पिकअप राइट हैंड साइड, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है उसको पिकअप करो, जो राइट हैंड साइड है सिंप्लीफाई करो, डिफरेंट प्रोसेस करो और आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके आओ, प्रूव। एंड द थर्ड, left hand side is complex, right hand side is also complex, both are complex. Then we have method 3. Pick up left hand side, complex से आप simple बना दो by the process, जो भी करना हो, alright, call it result 1. Then you pick up right hand side, जो complex है, go through the process, जो भी करना हो, identity यूज करना, इंटर रिलेशनशिप करना, LCM करना, expand करना, factorize, जो भी करना हो, get it simple form, call it result number 2. अब दोनों रिजल्ट को देखो, दोनों इक्वल होंगे, so by 1 and 2 left hand side is equal to right hand side. The best method is first method, where you pick up left hand side, simplify and show that is equal to right hand side. That is impressive method. When examiner checks you approve that type of sums, and if you have done method 1, then the examiner gets impressed. Okay, but that doesn't mean that sometimes you can't use method 2 or method 3. But mostly we will see the use of method 1. Okay, so then let's see now. Okay, so best of luck. Alright children, so let's move further. We are going to see prove that type of sums. Well, initially you will find them very easy. Can you see here the first one? Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec plus tan A is equal to 1. That is what we have to prove. It's missed out. Alright. So let's take left hand side because it is more complex. Right hand side is 1, which is very simple. Okay. So I pick up left hand side. Left hand side, that is equal to sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Children, now this is one dish. Prove that you have to prepare. Correct? Okay. So what is the recipe? Now look here. This prove that dish, whatever जो भी हो, recipe उसमें क्या है और process क्या है. Now you can see right hand side is 1, which is as simple as it can be. Left hand side we have sec, sin, sec and tan. The first and foremost thing is conversion of trigonometric ratios into cos and sine. Alright? Understood this process? So let's do that process now here. Bolo. Sec. Now here it is sec. Where is sec? Here. Sec is inverse of cos. Cos and sec are reciprocal of each other. So what is sec? 1 upon cos. Correct? Then you have tan. Where is tan? That you know, sine upon cos. If you go anti-clockwise, tan is sine upon cos. So let's see. Sec is 1 upon cos A into 1 minus sine A into sec is 1 upon cos A plus tan A is sine A upon cos A. How did you get? By interrelationship. By interrelationship. ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. I don't have enough space here. Now that is equal to, fine, 1 minus sin A upon cos A into, चलिए यहाँ क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? क्या करना पड़ेगा? LCM. That is one part of simplification. So here simplification कर रहे हैं. Simplification. और simplification में क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? LCM. You are finding LCM. So let's do that. What is LCM of cos? Oh, like denominator. So that is cos A. Straight away you may write 1 plus sin A. Alright? Okay? Children, this is not 1 actually. 1 minus sin A upon 1 minus cos A. 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. This is what we have to prove. I'm sorry I put 1 initially. This is what you have to prove. Okay. This is equal to, I am getting mistaken. Fine. Okay. Chaliye. It is 1 only. It is 1 only. Okay. Excuse me. Now, A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. So we are expanding. So once again simplification. 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 लेकिन what we do in this simplification? Expand. कौन सा फॉर्म आया था? A minus B into A plus B. So what is the expansion? A square minus B square. So let's see that. 1 minus sine into 1 plus sine is 1 square. We may write 1 minus sine square A upon cos into cos is cos square A. Correct? Now you got squares, children. So you have to look for identities. स्क्वायर वाली ये रही, ये फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square plus sin square is 1. So this is alone 1 minus sin square is cos square. Yeah, 1 minus cos square is sin square. You have 1 minus sin square. So 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square. So I'll write that 1 minus sin square is cos square A upon cos square A. Right? Because, okay, by identity. Or you may write because cos square, don't write A. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. We use this. Here angle A ho, to yahan theta. Matlab you have to write differently. Now cos square cancel, and that is equal to 1, and that is right hand side. So this is correct, not this. Okay? This is what you are supposed to prove. I hope that is clear to you. So ये जो हमने सक्सेसफुली प्रूव किया, उस इन दैट वी यूज्ड 3 प्रोसेस. सो रेसिपी क्या थे? रेसिपी में तो यही प्रूव दैट करना है, कन्वर्जन ऑफ ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज इनटू साइन एंड कॉस. फिर सिंप्लीफिकेशन में एलसीएम करना पड़ा, सिंप्लीफिकेशन में एक्सपांड करना पड़ा. विच एक्सपांशन आइडेंटिटी? a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we'll keep on writing, and when we complete the chapter, means all prove that type of sums are over, then we shall write in proper order. You don't have to learn this by heart. Children, you don't have to learn this by heart. With experience, you will remember them very well. But you need lot of practice. Okay? So we move on to the next prove that. See, left hand side and right hand side. Okay? In left hand side, you will find cot, cos, cot and cos, and on right hand side you will find everything as cosec. Now here, as I have told you, you have to think. वो जो चेस में 2-3 स्टेप का ध्यान रखना होगा. तो राइट हैंड साइड पे क्या होता है? व्हाट इज कॉसेक? 1 अपॉन साइन. द बेस्ट थिंग, आप एस और सी लिख सकते हो, बिकॉज वी वांट ओनली साइन एंड कॉस. माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 डिवाइड बाय 1 अपॉन साइन प्लस 1 अपॉन 1. ऊपर एलसीएम एस, यहां 1 यहां एस, सो 1 माइनस एस. नीचे एलसीएम एस, यहां 1 यहां एस, 1 1 जा 1 प्लस एस. ये कैंसल होता है. सो व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग? 1 माइनस एस अपॉन 1 प्लस एस. दिस इज साइन. दिस इज साइन. सो इफ यू ट्रांसफॉर्म, इफ यू थिंक ऑफ यूजिंग द फर्स्ट प्रोसेस, आप यदि ये फर्स्ट प्रोसेस के बारे में सोचते हैं कि ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग एवरीथिंग इनटू साइन एंड कॉस, तो आपको यहां कॉट का कॉस अपॉन साइन लिखना है. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू कॉस एंड साइन. एंड ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन यू शुड गेट दिस. करेक्ट? 1 माइनस साइन ए प्लस 1 प्लस अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन ए. सो आपने 2-3 स्टेप पहले से ही समझ के रखा है. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट मी पिक अप द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड? cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A. So you have thought of transforming everything into sin and cos. यहां जगह कम थी इसलिए मैंने ऊपर नीचे लिखा. Here what you have to do, use the bracket. Cot A, cot. What is cot? Where is cot? Cot is here. It is cosec upon cos या cos upon sin. Clockwise जाएंगे तो cos upon sin. So आप लिखो cos A upon sin A minus, this is just cos A upon 1. Yes, whole upon, ये whole upon. Instead of that, you are going to put division sign. Is that clear? And then in the next bracket, again cot A, that is cos A upon sin A plus cos A. So that is cos A upon 1. चलिए, get LCM here. Sin A or 1 का LCM sin A. Alright? So here, sin A into what is sin A? 1. 1 into what is sin A? Sin A. Correct? So आप multiply करो ना. 1 into cos A is cos A minus sin A into cos A is, you may write cos A into sin A. ठीक है? Then divide by, same way. What is the LCM of sin A and 1? Sin A. What you will need here? 1. Here sin A. So 1 into cos A is cos A. plus cos A into sin A, cos A into sin A. All right, children. Now what shall we do? आप यहां न्यूमरेटर में देखो टू टर्म्स है, cos A minus cos A into sin A. So cos A is common. यहां भी न्यूमरेटर में देखो देयर आर टू टर्म्स where cos A is common, दोनों में है cos A. So next step simplification ही है, but factorize. Now this is factorize. ax plus ay. So देखो ये दो टर्म में a कॉमन है, so you can take a common and write x plus y. इसी तरह यहां काम करेंगे. What is common? Cos A is common. So what you will have in the bracket? This has gone for common, so 1 minus sin A whole upon sin A. Correct? Divide by, once again, what is common? Cos A. Cos A is common. So take cos A common. So in the bracket, cos A is gone for common, plus sin A is left. Correct? Upon sin A. So this is equal to cos A into 1 minus sin A whole upon sin A. Multiplied by, I am converting division into multiplication. So this becomes inverse. So sin A ऊपर जाएगा, cos A into 1 plus sin A नीचे आएगा. Sin cancels, cos cancels. So you got 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Now look, आपको ये मिल गया 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको ये करना है, डिवाइडिंग बोथ बाय sin A. See this, 1 minus sin A डिवाइड बाय sin A, और ये डिवीजन साइन रख ला हूं मैं यहां होल अपॉन का. 1 प्लस sin A डिवाइड बाय sin A. देखो आपको ये जो मिला उसके ऊपर का स्टेप देखो 1 माइनस sin A अपॉन sin A, और नीचे का स्टेप देखो 1 प्लस sin A अपॉन sin A. आर यू गेटिंग मी चिल्ड्रन? सो यहां डिवाइडिंग बोथ. अभी इसको स्प्लिट करो, दैट इज 1 अपॉन sin A माइनस sin A अपॉन sin A. यूज दिस ब्रैकेट नाइसली. डिवाइड बाय, यहां भी स्प्लिट करो, 1 अपॉन sin A प्लस sin A अपॉन sin A. Correct? I'm writing it here now, children. 1 upon sin A is cosec A minus 1 upon 1 is, sin upon sin is 1 whole upon, that division sign I am putting whole upon, 1 upon sin A is cosec A minus, in fact it is plus, so plus, and sin A upon sin A is 1, and that is RHS. See that? Proved? Clear to you, children? Good. Okay. We move on to the next one, and that is number 3. Let's see. All right, fine. So are you ready for the next one? See the left hand side, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, and that is equal to 1 minus cos whole upon 1 plus cos. If you look at this right hand side, children, it is in terms of cos. Everything is purely in terms of cos. So yes, you can think, pick up left hand side and convert everything into sin and cos. जो sin आएगा जाएगा. Somehow it will be eliminated. Let's see whether it is eliminated or not. So I pick up left hand side, which is bracket square cosec theta minus cot theta. Now most children will make one mistake here. This is also a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Let's see. ये simplification में जाएगा. simplification, right? And that is expand. कौन सा expand है? a minus b whole square. What is that? a square minus 2ab plus b square. But in this case, we don't have to do that. Okay, you don't have to do that. What we are going to do? Yes, there is pandemic, COVID-19. So we have to remain indoors. Correct? So here also, ये bracket whole square will remain. I'm not expanding. And I'm transforming the rest into sine and cos. Alright? First is cosec. Let's see cosec. Where is cosec? Here it is reciprocal of sine. So cosec is 1 upon. Can you see here? Cosec. That is reciprocal of sine. So cosec is 1 upon sine theta minus. Now it is cot. Where is cot? Here you can say cosec upon sec, or you can say cos. Clockwise जाएंगे तो cos upon sine. So cot की जगह पे cos और sine. We are interested in cos and sine. So cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. Remember, ये ब्रैकेट हमारा घर है और हम घर के अंदर ही काम करेंगे. So whole square will remain as it is. यहां अब LCM करना पड़ेगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा हमारा सिंप्लीफिकेशन एंड वो LCM होगा. राइट? सो साइन, ओ वी आर लकी, साइन थीटा इज लाइक डिनोमिनेटर. सो स्ट्रेट अवे यू कैन राइट 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. ऑलराइट, अब क्या सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे चिल्ड्रन? अब सिंप्लीफिकेशन आया. कौन सा सिंप्लीफिकेशन? a upon b whole square, that is equal to a square upon b square. This is law of power. Laws of powers में से एक है. Power of quotient, square of a upon square of b. So let's use it. Okay, so that is equal to numerator में है 1 minus cos theta whole square upon denominator में sin, so that is sin square theta. All right, now it is very interesting step. 1 minus cos theta whole square, sin square, identity square. तो identity कहाँ है? cos square sin square वाली यहाँ है. cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So what is sin square? ये sin square चाहिए तो 1 minus cos square is sin square. So यहाँ हमारे पास sin square है. So that is 1 minus cos square theta. Because cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. यहां थीटा है तो मैंने आइडेंटिटी में अल्फा यूज किया. बी केयरफुल. चलिए, नाउ दिस इज फैक्टराइजेशन चिल्ड्रन, नॉट इजी वर्क. हियर 1 कैन बी रिटन एज 1 स्क्वायर. लिख सकते हैं ना? सो दिस इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर फॉर्म. आर यू गेटिंग मी? ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, तो उसका फैक्टर निकलेगा. देखो, सिंप्लीफिकेशन में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, ये ए माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर एक्सपांशन था. ये फैक्टराइजेशन है. ए माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, दिस इज फैक्टराइजेशन. फैक्टर्स निकाला. सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो या न्यूमरेटर रिमेन्स द सेम, 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा. ऑलराइट, ये 2 बार है. 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा 2 बार है. सो एक बार निकल गया. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू, ऊपर 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा 2 बार था, एक बार बच गया. 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा अपॉन इन द डिनोमिनेटर इट इज 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू RHS. Proved. Clear to you children? Have you followed this nicely? Sure? 100%? Okay. Now, this is very interesting. Fourth one, prove that cos A upon 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Children, यहां एक नई रेसिपी और प्रोसेस आएगी. यू कैन सी cos थीटा ऊपर है, हमें चाहिए नीचे, है ना? और दोनों साइड बहुत ही सिंपल है, और दोनों साइड पे cos और sin ही है. सो इफ वी थिंक of using this कन्वर्जिंग द ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज इनटू कॉस एंड साइन, कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, वो तो पहले से ही कॉस और साइन में है। एम आई राइट? तो फिर करे क्या? तब एक नई प्रोसेस आती है एंड दैट इज डिमांड एंड सप्लाई। डिमांड एंड सप्लाई। हमारे इस एग्जाम्पल में क्या डिमांड है? हमें कॉस चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में। लेट मी पिक अप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड चिल्ड्रन फर्स्ट। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज कॉस ए अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन ए। दोनों बहुत सिंपल है, हम यहां वो चेस वाले 3 स्टेप भी नहीं सोच सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, चलिए, आई हैव टेकन दिस। व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई नीड कॉस इन द डिनोमिनेटर, मुझे कॉस नीचे चाहिए राइट हैंड साइड में, सो आई एम टेकिंग दैट कॉस ए। सो आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय कॉस ए। मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया चिल्ड्रन? व्हाई आई डिड दैट? बिकॉज इन द डिनोमिनेटर आई वांट कॉस, सो मिल गया। सो हमको डिमांड है डिनोमिनेटर में कॉस का, तो हमने सप्लाई कर दिया नीचे। बट यू कैन नॉट डू दैट, सिर्फ नीचे नहीं। एक्चुअली हियर वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, और वो 1 की जगह पे आप 5/5 लिख सकते हैं। उसी 1 की जगह पे आप cos थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा लिख सकते हैं। उसी 1 की जगह पे 1 प्लस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा लिख सकते हैं। यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस। सो जो डिमांड चाहिए उस हिसाब से सप्लाई करेंगे। नीचे साइन चाहिए, सॉरी cos ए चाहिए, सो cos ए अपॉन cos ए। चलो, ऊपर क्या हो गया? cos इंटू कॉस, दरवाजा खुल गया चिल्ड्रन, हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। cos इंटू कॉस इज cos स्क्वायर। ये मोनोमियल है, सो आगे लिखेंगे। ये बाइनोमियल है, उसके पीछे लिखेंगे इंटू 1 प्लस साइन ए। अब ये स्क्वायर आइडेंटिटी आ गई चिल्ड्रन, स्क्वायर। ओके, सो यूज आइडेंटिटी, कॉस स्क्वायर वाली आइडेंटिटी कौन सी है? ये रही, कॉस स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर इज 1, सो 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर इज कॉस स्क्वायर, सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दैट। कॉस स्क्वायर इज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए अपॉन कॉस ए इंटू 1 प्लस साइन ए, बिकॉज cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Is that okay? चलिए, now this is equal to, now 1 minus sin square, so 1 square minus sin square, you can imagine that. So you have two factors, 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a whole upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a is gone. So what is left? 1 minus sin a upon cos a. 1 minus, somewhere we have made mistake. Maybe in the question it is minus here. Children, please be careful. It is minus here. Alright, I have copied. Or maybe minus here, then we'll get plus here. So something is wrong in the statement. And so now 1 minus sin a, that is equal to RHS. Proved. Okay? Sure? Done? Understood? So that's all for today's session. Until then, we meet in the next session. Goodbye.